John Kavakis here with another edition of My Take, and today I want to talk to you about detailing already well done models. One of my favorite models of last year was a Brooklyn Collectors Club Model of the Year, the 1965 Riviera. It's a beautifully done model. Fidelity was fantastic. It's a really nice example of what Brooklyn is capable of doing and what they've been doing so well so recently. So when I got it, the color is fabulous. The interior is really well done. I thought maybe a little bit extra detail might help it. Now, I like the way the model looks, and for those of you that enjoy your model straight out of the box unaltered, you're going to love this car. You probably have it sitting in a very prime spot on your shelf. But I like a little extra detail every now and then. And I got to tell you something, I'm spoiled by what I've seen in some of the NB Center models, the level of detail they have. So I was looking for somebody that could help me detail my model a little bit better. And I was talking to Chuck Rose. Now, if you're on Forum 43, you've probably seen Chuck posts every now and then, and he does some work on detail and repainting and that sort of thing. He's a real stickler for factory colors and factory features, and I really got to love that about him because he researches these things exhaustively. So I sent him one of the 65 Rivieras just to see what he did, and I want to show it to you here today. I'm going to put it on the turntable and we're going to take a look at it. You can see what he's done now. He's done foiling on this. There's two ways to do this type of thing. You can do bare metal foil. It takes a very steady hand and a little bit of talent and a whole lot of gifting. Or you could do scraping, which is equally difficult, equally as detailed. Now, Chuck did this one here with bare metal foil. And he's done a beautiful job. The window surrounds are done. The windshield surround, the backlight surround is all taken care of. The little chrome strip underneath the where the C-pillar meets the rear quarter panel. He's done that very, very well done. He's painted the rocker panel underneath the correct charcoal gray. And of course he's done the chrome trim around the wheel wells and on the side trim there. He's just done a beautiful job. The windshield wipers are picked out very nicely. And we talked a little bit about possible improvements on the interior, but ultimately we decided that the interior was really well represented the way it was on the one-of-one full-size car. So we left the interior alone, but it's a really nice model, and you can see, I'm going to put it on the turntable next to the BCC Club model, and you can see the difference a little bit of detailing makes. Just take a look at that. Not a whole lot of effort, not a whole lot of expense here, and the model just really pops with the extra detail. And again, some folks really like to bring some of the details out on some of their standard issue cars. Some people like to leave them the way they are. Some people buy two, and then you get one of each, and this is what it looks like when you have both. So again, it's Chuck Rose. I'm going to put his email address right up here so you can touch base with him. He's a busy guy. It'll probably take a while to get a model done if you're interested in that, but he does repaints, he does detail, and he does really high quality work. So if you're interested in doing that, give Chuck, send him an email, let him know what you'd like to have done. He'll take care of you real quickly. He's very reasonably priced. And he gives us a service that just helps us to enjoy our models a little bit better. This is what an extra detail looks like on the BCC 65 Riviera. That's my take. Hey, thanks for tuning in. If you like the video, I'm going to ask you to click the like button down there. And also, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. We've got a lot of news coming. Thanks for tuning in again. This is My Take.